How to choose a template in Squarespace website. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to choose a template for your new website in Squarespace. It's gonna be very easy and simple. So first you can go to squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you will be in this page and then we're gonna create a new website. You can click create website here and it's loading. Then in this page, as you can see, you can choose the topic. So the template will be based on your topic. But we're gonna browsing, so you can just click I'm just browsing here, and then you will be in this page. There are a lot of templates here. So you can choose the type on the left side and then the topic, but there is 29 popular templates you can choose. So you can, choose it, you can uh, preview it. So let's say for this video, I'm gonna choose this one. And then you can customize the style, the color, the color style. You can choose whatever you want. So let's say I'm gonna choose maybe this one. I think it's good. And then you can click start with this design and it's setting this up, setting things up. And it's done, you have created a new website with new template. You can go to website here and then next you can see this is your new website with new templates. It's, beautiful, right? So yeah, you can, choose another template if you want. You can just repeat the process. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.